Hello students, today we are back with a practical problem on preparing profit and loss appropriation and preparing partners capital account. Today's question we will see various type of adjustment. Here we will see adjustment relating to partner salary, adjustment relating to interest on capital, interest on drawings, okay, then guarantee of profit to a partner, partners commission. So many adjustments. So let us see the question. Here you can see that there are three partners, Molly, Bholi and Raj, and they are sharing profit in the ratio of 3:3:4. And according to partnership deed, they are entitled to interest on capital, while interest on drawings at 12% per annum will be charged, and interest on partners loan will be given at 6% per annum. Now Molly was allowed an annual salary of 4,000, okay, annual, that is whole year, Molly partner. Bhola was allowed a commission of 10% of net profit as shown in profit and loss account. That is the amount of profit, whatever is shown in profit and loss, that will be transferred in P&L appropriation. Of that amount, 10% commission will be given to the partner Bhola. Now Raj was also guaranteed a profit of 1,50,000. But the partner Raj, minimum profit was ensured at 1,50,000 after making all appropriation. Now the partner's fixed capital are given. So whenever this term fixed capital is written, which means that all appropriation will be transferred to current account. Now fixed capital of the partners Molly, Bholi and Raj are 5 lakh, 8 lakh and 4 lakh respectively. Now on 1st April 2016, Bhola extended loan of rupees 1 lakh to the firm. Okay, so Bhola has extended 1 lakh loan to the firm. So for this loan he will get an interest of 6%, which comes to 6,000 for the whole year, April to March. The net profit for the firm for the year ending 31st March 2017 before interest on Bhola's loan was 3,06,000. So here before interest on Bhola's loan is given. That means when the profit will be taken into P&L appropriation, we will deduct the interest on Bhola's loan. Okay, after deducting interest on Bhola's loan, which is 6,000, 1 lakh into 6 by 100. So 3 lakhs will be brought forward in P&L appropriation account. Now what you have to do, you have to prepare profit and loss appropriation of the three partners, okay, and also show the current account of the partner, assuming that they have withdrawn certain drawings. What are the drawing? That Bhola has drawn 5,000 at the end of each month. Okay, whole year he has withdrawn 5,000 per month. Molly withdrew 10,000 at the end of each quarter. Okay, while Raj withdrew 40,000 at the end of each half year. Okay, so it is clear the drawings how the partners have made. Now we will see the solution, how the solution has been made, okay, along with workings. So first see P&L appropriation is before you. In the P&L appropriation on the credit side, you can see that net profit 3,06,000 is there, but interest on partner's loan, that is Bhola's loan, has been deducted and 3 lakh has been shown in the credit side. Now you can see the interest on drawings, how it is been calculated. You can see that Molly's interest on drawings is been calculated as follows. Molly has drawn 10,000 as drawing for each quarter at the end of each quarter. So the formula will be calculation of interest 40,000 into rate by 100, that is 12 by 100 into 4.5 by 12. Whenever the quarterly at the end of each quarter is there, the average month comes to 4.5. Now how Bhola's interest on drawings has been calculated? Total drawings of Bhola is 5,000 into 12, okay, 60,000 into rate by 100, 12 by 100 into 5.5 by 12. Average period comes to 5.5. Okay, while Raj has withdrawn 40,000 at the end of each half year. Okay, that is on June 30 and on March 31st. So he will be paid only for 40,000. The interest on drawings will be charged. So 40,000 into 1200 into 6 by 12. Okay, so this is the interest on drawing calculation. Now see on the debit side, the interest on capital has been calculated 5% as usual on the capital account. Okay, salary for 4,000 of Molly, it has been given. So 4,000 annually, it has been given. Commission 10% on net profit. So net profit here after deducting loan is 3 lakhs. So 3 lakhs 10% is 3,000. Now after that the available profit is distributed. Okay, the available profit is 1,88,500 has been distributed between the partners as follows in the ratio of 3:3:4. Now profit of Molly comes to 56,550, while Bhola 56,550 and Raj comes to 75,400. But there is a condition that Raj minimum profit should be ensured at 1,50,000. Okay, now that will be given the shortage of the Raj, that is approximately 74,600. This is shortage will be given by the both partners. You can see will be given by the both partners equally. Okay, why equally? Because 3:3 is the respective ratio of the remaining partners. So they will contribute the remaining shortage, that is 74,600, and the amount comes to 37,300. Okay, if you divide into equal part. Now the remaining amount is 19,250. After giving the share to Raj, Moli share comes to 19,250, while Bhola share comes to 19,250. In this way the profit has been calculated and the guarantee has been fulfilled. Okay, so let us see again that how it has been, interest on drawings has been calculated. See, Moli, you can see 40,000 into 1200 into 9 by 24, or 4.5 by 12, same thing. Similarly, Bhola's, how it has been calculated, 60,000 into 1200 into 11 by 24, or 5.5 by 12. Okay, and Raj 40,000 into 1200 into 6 by 12. Why? Because Raj has withdrawn twice at the end of each half, September 30 and another at the end of March 31st. Okay, twice. So March 31st there is no interest to be charged. For the remaining, the interest has been charged. Okay, now see the partner's current account, only the appropriation has been posted. See, interest on whatever was on the debit side of P&L appropriation now is posted on the credit side. Interest on capital of 3 partners, salary of only Moli, commission of only Bhola, and the profit distribution between the partners after necessary adjustment, that is the guarantee after giving to Raj. The remaining amount of profit is shown here, and on the debit side you can see along with interest on drawings, the drawings has been shown. Okay, remember that drawings will be shown here, whatever drawings, and interest on drawings on the credit side of the P&L appropriation is posted on the debit side of partners current account. And after adjustment you can see there is a balance of current account balance, capital, see 6450, 25,950 and 87,600. These are current account balance. Fixed account balance is already available at fixed rate. Okay, hope you have understood the question. Kindly have a look again and try to understand how it has been calculated. Okay, so thank you for now and have a nice day.